Traders Todd here, VPT Live Futures recap for the day. Massive V bottom. Did we just find the lows? Let's take a look at the trade of the day. This is the range trader strategy here. We are in the NASDAQ on a 250 tick chart. We had the range high and low, 987 down to 971. If we break below support, then we expect the moves. So on the breakout right here, we rolled over. The market goes straight to our bid zone 1. We break below, close below, and then continue south. We roll over here. I bought the bid zone 2, and you can see that we got a little bit of a move in our face. Stops were in at 6 points. I took profit on partial at about 4. Let the balance run on trail stop, and I was stopped out right there. We rolled over again, and as this market drove to new structure low, we saw a flush at around 10:30 or 11. You can see the market continues the sell-off. Bid zone 3 down here resting at 39.29. Had limit orders resting right here at 30.50. Caught the lows of the day right there at my bid zone 3 on my range trader. Now, I was out of everything by the time we got back to 39.50, anticipating this level to hold for another potential rollover. Europe closed. The market then slowed down a little bit until finally looks like the algorithms kicked in and we got a significant rally back up to the midpoint, and actually we went and retested the highs of the day right there at 39.87, and basically those highs held. Okay, number 2, take a look at a couple of our Fibonacci sequence levels. Here's our analysis on crude oil. We looked for the market to roll over, test our 89.73, which it did early. The lows of the day were right at my 1618 fib projection. 88.31 in crude. We rallied right back up. We got potential sell signals here. I didn't get the short entry. You can see it's 2 o'clock right there. We've gone slightly higher in the Globex. So crude oil will look for short entries around 91.50 tomorrow. Let's take a quick look right here at the mini Russell. The Russell rolled over as well. We put in a double bottom. Our 1078s right here held until that final flush. We drove as low as 72, reversed it, and now again right back up. Remember, we're looking for sell signals right around the 1100 handle. Also on the S&P 500, beautiful sell signals right off the open this morning. The S&P 500 popped into my dynamic resistance zones here. Short signals around 41, stops above 43. Moved against us a little bit right here to 250. Rolled over nicely with targets coming off at the 35s. Then we get the flush like we looked at in the NASDAQ. My low target, my rule of projection low, was resting at 1675. I put buy limits in, did not get filled, and you can see this is the same time that we hit that BZ3 in the NASDAQ. So, big time V bottom today. Is it the low? No idea. We will be back in live tomorrow. Be sure to register. Join us for VPT Live. We'll start our pre-market about 8:05. We'll see you then.